channel. Today we're gonna make the best airplane ever! Yay! Let's make it, guys! Let's make it, guys! We need paper and we can decorate our airplanes with any of these decorations.
What do we have, Rayyan?
Markers, stickers, stamps, and tracers. Let's get started, guys. Let's choose pink. I'm gonna choose purple. I'm gonna do a hat. So guys, green. Look, guys, green. Green shirt. Let's do the hat stamp. I'm gonna color the star. Dinosaur! Look, guys, I colored the star. Next, I'm gonna make a diamond. The color blue. Look, guys, diamond. I will choose the stamps. I will choose the color dark red. Look, there's a dinosaur on the stamp. It's a T-Rex. Blue! Now I'll show you how to make the airplane. First, you fold the paper. First, you fold both corners. Now you fold it like this. So it looks like an envelope. Now you have to fold the corners again. Like that. Now we put the triangle up. Now flip it over. Turn this halfway. And fold it like that. Take one side and fold it like that. Do it with the other side too. We are done. Now we are gonna put stickers on it. I'm gonna put sun on it. A happy face. Right over here. And next I'm gonna do a star. That's a fire! I'm gonna put fire. I'm gonna put her fish on. Now his face on. Kissing face now. Look, guys, we're done with our airplanes! Yay! Time to fly it! Whoa, it flies so good! I fly so good! Thanks for watching, guys. Bye. If you like this video, then give it a big thumbs up. Bye. Bye. Wow, that was so cool. Subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching, guys. Bye bye.